Hi, this is Quinn at Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to print stickers in large format. So what you're going to start with is selecting the printer up top that you want to print to. I would like to print to printer 1, so I'm going to click on that up here. There's numbers on the front of the printer so that you can see which one is which. And I'm going to click open up here at the top, and then you can navigate through here to get to the order folder that you were looking for. I'm already in it in this case, so I don't need to move it. So I'm going to click on the file I want, which is these thank you stickers. And I'm going to select the print cut calendared preset over here. You don't need to change your copies or your magnification or anything in here. That's already determined by the information that's in this file name. So I can click open. And then while that loads, I want to check my material over here on the right. Looks like the last thing that was run was banners. So I'm going to change this to 3M IJ3510, and it's a 54-inch roll, so I'll leave that. And now you get a preview of your stickers over here. These little marks on the side are about 12 inches apart, so I know this is going to take a little under 2 feet of material for its printed area. If it's, another mark down here, then you know it's going to be 3 feet of material. If it's another one, then you know it's going to be 4. So it's an easy way to see how big the sheet you're printing is going to be. If it, is way too many stickers to print at once, you can click on this. If you double click it, it'll open up and you can change your copies in here. So let's say I wanted to do half of it, I could change it to 50, click OK, and it will give me half of the amount of stickers. So everything looks good, so I'm going to hit print now and it'll send it to the printer.